Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Welcome to my review of this knife. This is the QSP Penguin folding knife. Yes, it's got a lanyard slot, open pillar construction, deep carry pocket clip, which has a satin finish. The blade also has a satin finish. It's got two thumb studs, which are terraced. Right, this one has jade or natural G10 handle scales. It is a liner lock. It has jimping on the liner, and it also has jimping on a thumb rest. All right, there you see the pocket clip again. Now the blade, the steel is D2. The price on this, it's going to be between $30 to $35 depending on the color, right? So for that price point, I'm totally fine with the D2 because it's a very affordable and handy little knife. The blade length is listed as 3.06 inches. Right? It is a sheep's foot. And I really like the size and blade shape. Super handy. Here it is on the scale. 96.6 grams. And in ounces, 3.41 ounces. So pretty light. All right, here is the deployment. Boom. The pivot is very smooth. Definitely. The thumb studs are placed correctly. Yeah, decisive. You see the lock up there. Yeah, so if you want to flick it out like that, you can. Now these come in a variety of colors, and that other knife is a Boker plus strike. Alright, you can check out my review of that, but I have the jade G10 handle scales. I've got the red micarta and the green micarta. These are addictive. Definitely. I'm thinking of getting the blue micarta as well. I've got a monkey on my back, and that is steel addiction. The ugly face of addiction. That monkey on my back is using my head as a bongo drum. And that rifle there is a STOEGER S4000E in .22 caliber. You can check out my video on that. All right, here it is cutting a piece of a box. Yes, indeed, it is sharp. Utility function there. All right, here it is whittling on a piece of wood. So I hope you're all doing well these days, in these days of woe, these times of rage, these times of gear reviewers on YouTube gone wild. All right, I hope I can give you some information and distraction from these tough times, and also bring you budget-friendly items. All right, everybody wants to stretch $1. Do you make videos for poor people? No, I make videos for smart people. I don't care how rich you are. Why spend more than you have to? All right, did good on whittling. Here it is cutting some paracord. Easy task for it. Here it is cutting a strap. Goes through it. Smooth like butter. Free yourself from restraint. There you go. I hope you're enjoying the scenery behind me. I know I definitely enjoy going there. Here it is on the paper test. This is straight out of the box. So good initial sharpness. Final thoughts. What do you need to know? These knives are dangerous because if you buy one of these Penguins, it's so small and handy and it has a utilitarian blade shape, you're going to end up using it. And once you use it, you're going to like it even more. And because the price is fairly low, you're going to be tempted to buy all the different colors. And pretty soon you're going to have a flock of penguins. These penguins, they just tend to multiply. And it's just easy to justify getting the different colors because you can tell yourself, well, I just can't pass up this deal, and I can give these away as gifts. You know, I can give one to dad. I can give one to mom. I can give one to dad's girlfriend. I can give one to his other girlfriend. No, I wasn't supposed to say that. No, just kidding. But Yeah, now I actually don't carry this with the pocket clip. I carry it loose in my side cargo pocket, the same way I carry a Swiss knife. But yeah, I highly recommend the Penguins. Just very light, very handy, well made. The pivot is super smooth. The lockup was good. The edge was very sharp right out of the box. The thumb studs are placed correctly. Yes, loving it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out the links below the video. This has been We All Juggle Knives. I'm out.